Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Xbox game bar not opening working issue in Windows 11. First method is, click Start, Settings, click System Components. Click Advanced Options. Click Terminate, click Reset. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.